T90101. Pressure limiting valve. The rubber on the pressure limiting valve will begin to deteriorate through use over time. We recommend replacing the pressure limiting valve every 18 to 24 months, depending on usage level. Flip the lid back over and push down the pressure limiting valve, then turn to the fitting removal position. Using your thumb and forefinger, pull the pressure limiting valve out. To replace the pressure limiting valve, push the new valve back in, lining up the notch in the fitting removal position. Push the pressure limiting valve back into the steam release position. Removing and replacing the safety valve. On the underside of the lid, loosen the safety valve using a spanner and unscrew the entire red safety valve as one. Replace the new safety valve by screwing it back in through the underside of the lid. Then tighten with a spanner.